Career after diploma in aerospace engineering. A diploma in aerospace engineering opens up a variety of career opportunities, particularly in technical and operational roles within the aerospace, aviation, and defense industries. While these roles are typically entry-level, they can serve as a foundation for career advancement with further education or experience. Here's a detailed look at career paths. Job opportunities after an aerospace engineering diploma. Diploma holders often work as technicians, assistants, or junior engineers in the following areas. A. Aerospace industry. 1 Aerospace technician, assisting in the assembly, testing, and maintenance of aircraft or spacecraft systems. 2 Quality control inspector, ensuring components meet safety and performance standards. 3 Materials technician, working on composite materials and testing for aerospace applications. B. Aviation sector. 1 Aircraft maintenance technician, AMT, diagnosing and repairing mechanical and avionics systems on airplanes. 2 Avionics technician, specializing in the electronic systems of aircraft, such as navigation and communication systems. 3 Ground operations specialist, supporting aircraft operations, including fueling, inspections, and loading. C. Space sector. 1 Space systems technician, assisting in the design, testing, and maintenance of satellites and spacecraft. 2 Rocketry assistant, working on propulsion systems and launch vehicles in space exploration programs. D. Defense and military applications. 1 Aviation support technician, maintaining and repairing defense aircraft or UAVs, drones. 2 Structural repair specialist, fixing airframes and structural components in military aircraft. Employers and industries. Industries. Number 1. Aircraft manufacturers, e.g. Boeing, Airbus. Number 2. Space exploration agencies, e.g. NASA, ISRO, SpaceX. Number 3. Defense contractors, e.g. Lockheed Martin, HAL, DRDO. Number 4. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul, MRO, companies. Number 5. Airline companies. Number 6. Research institutions. Employers. Number 1. Space and aviation research organizations. Number 2. Commercial airlines and airports. Number 3. Aerospace parts manufacturers. Number 4. Government defense agencies. Number 5. Startups in drone and UAV technology. Average salary. Salaries for diploma holders vary based on the country, role, and experience. Here's an approximate range. Number 1. Entry-level roles, $20,000 to $40,000 annually, 2 to 4 lakhs Indian rupee per annum in India. Number 2. Technicians in MRO, $30,000 to $50,000, 3 to 6 lakhs Indian rupee per annum. Number 3. Experienced professionals, up to $60,000 annually, 8 to 10 lakhs Indian rupee per annum. Career growth. Diploma holders can enhance their careers through, number 1. Certifications, courses in CAD, avionics, UAVs, or aerospace software tools. Number 2. Work experience, gaining expertise in specific aerospace systems. Number 3. Higher education, pursuing a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering, often with credit transfer from the diploma. Alternative career options. Your aerospace diploma can also lead to roles in related fields. Number 1. Automotive aerodynamics, designing and testing aerodynamic features for vehicles. Number 2. Renewable energy, working on wind turbine aerodynamics. Number 3. Industrial robotics, applying skills in automation and control systems. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.